and halter as soon as you can. Good pony. Good ride, Sophie. Try not. Flow to it, flow to it. Good ride. Sit up tall. And let go. As soon as she halts, you let go. There you go. A really nice canter, Sophie. Good work. Go ahead, do something else. He's like, yes, I am. Keep him nice and slow. The pace